The former ZANU-PF Central Committee member and war veteran, Blessed Geza, has claimed that Tagwirei wants to become Zimbabwe's next president through underhanded means. Sarabena mashoko arikuda panguva ino achinyatsokuonekwa kunzi even bombshell Geza arikuda panguva ino achimeka vows to stop kuda Tagwirei from becoming Zimbabwe's next president. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pano pampindula mobudanyi kwa mchinzi. Tagwirei, a businessman with significant political connections within ZANU-PF, is known for his influence in the country's fuel, mining, and financial sectors. He is the founder and CEO of Secunda Holdings, a company involved in energy and infrastructure projects. Recently, ZANU-PF's Harare province recommended Tagwirei for a position in the party's Central Committee, the ruling party's top decision-making board, when Congress is not in session, with the powers to amend the constitution, implement policies, and oversee party and government activities. During an address to the nation on Monday evening, Geza alleged that President Mnangagwa's plan was to marginalize Vice President Chiwenga and allow Tagwirei to replace him. According to reports, the plan is for Tagwirei to first take Chiwenga's position as Vice President before being groomed as Mnangagwa's successor. Geza, who is accused Tagwirei of corruption, vowed to thwart what he claims is a plan being orchestrated by Mnangagwa and his wife, Auxilia, to elevate Tagwirei to the president, said Geza. In quotes, "You are being given government companies without paying any cent. If there is any money that is being paid, it is government that pays on your behalf. You are greedy, you are a very toxic man. You are not entering politics. Don't undermine us. Thousands and thousands of people died for this country and they want to be the next president. You are being influenced by Mnangagwa and Auxilia. You want to be president through the back door. That will not happen." Geza has repeatedly called for President Mnangagwa to step down and has publicly expressed his support for Vice President Chiwenga to succeed him. Ndomamirira zvakaita panguva ino anoonekwa kunzi bombshell Geza aiwa ari kubuda pachena achiuya achimeka everything clear kuti these plans ari kuda kuitwa nana Tagwirei ekusucceda aiwa mutungamiri wenyika nekusadlina VP Chiwenga, they are against them. And tinoona kuti bombshell Geza ari kusapota Vice President Chiwenga kuti vasuccede mutungamiri wenyika. Kana comment section medu mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, channel on the bell.